welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be diving into another secret website that you can sell your work, your art and your designs online. So today we're going to diving into another secret website and a series of secret websites each and every week. We talk about amazing websites where you can sell your work and can make more money online. So let's dive into today's video. Today's website is also amazing. Before we go past, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below or simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out the freebie section and download it. So start with an exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. It's 100% free. Subscribe to it. Right now it's on waitlist, though whenever we will going to start it, we're going to sending you each and every week in your email inbox exclusive content related to making money online as a creative person. So let's dive into today's video. Today's video is also another special video because we're going to be talking about another biggest opportunity in this online space to make more money, because this channel is all about helping creative people, helping artists, designer, printable seller to make more money as a creative person in the online space. There are so many different platforms and we have been covering each and every week amazing individual platforms. I'm going to leave the complete playlist of the secret website in the card section below above. You can check it out. That playlist will going to tell you the different kinds of the websites where you can sell your work. Some of them would be suitable to you, suitable for your conditions. Some of them may not be, but again, you would be able to know that these are so many opportunities in the online space. You're not just limited to simply a Redbubble or simply the bunch of the print-on-demand websites. So let's talk about today's website. Today's website is artfinder.com. Now let me talk about what this Artfinder is all about and how you can sell your work and can make money online. So on the homepage itself, it's written original art for sale. You're just gonna scroll down. There are a bunch of the different art mediums that you could actually sell on them. So we were going to directly straightforward go into first of the option, that is the about the Artfinder, because we want to know about what the Artfinder is and how it works and everything about in detail and how as you as a seller can sell on Artfinder. So in the about it section, you could see a small video where they're describing about the Artfinder. Artfinder is the art marketplace. We sell art that changes lives, art that awakens our imagination, transforms our homes and expresses who we really are. At Artfinder, we have building a world where artists can make a living doing what they love, where anyone can easily find and buy original art no matter the taste or budget. So you could read their Impact Report 2021 on the website. I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description box below. You can check it out. Direct from the artist to your home, whether you are an art lover or art curious, we connect you directly with the independent artists around the world. Every single piece is original and signed by the artist carrying its own unique story. A sustainable art market for all. We founded Artfinder because artists exist everywhere, as do people who value authentic handmade works of art. We believe in made to last in ethical production, building a business that makes all of our lives better by supporting creativity in communities around the world. Fueled by our community of artists, we believe that buying art should be enjoyable as living with art. No pretense, no poop, just great art, simple. So it is founded in 2011. So it's a little bit old company and it's based in London and Miami, so UK and United States. Artfinder connects people to artists and art. We are funded by Wellington partners and private investors in the UK, US and Switzerland. 7,000 artists selling on Artfinder. Our community grows every day. That's pretty amazing. 7,000 people are selling. 108 total number of countries where our artists sell from. 15,000 new artworks added to Artfinder every month. So it's a pretty big marketplace. If you're creating your own work, if you're creating your original artwork, and we were going to be talking about the medium. What are the different kinds of medium that you could sell on this platform? I bought, and then there is a bunch of the reviews about the people who bought the art from this place. You could very well check it out, guys. But let me go over to the section about let's see what are the different mediums that you can sell on this platform. That is the painting, printmaking, photography, sculpture, drawing, digital art and collage. I think yesterday only, or maybe a few days back only, I made a video talking about the top 10 art, design, creative careers as being in the creative industry. You could check out that video. I'm going to leave them in the card section above. Now this is the website especially for the people who are creating their work from scratch by themselves, like the sculpture, printmaking, photography. Even if you're taking the pictures, that you could sell your work over here. So there is a pretty much of the stuff you could sell, the digital art, the drawing, collage. And if you're a print-on-demand seller, you're creating your own digital art from scratch, you're creating your own designs from scratch, then you could very well check out this website. This website is exactly for you. And this is another amazing art marketplace where the people sell their art. Now let's talk about how you're going to sell on the Artfinder. Yes. So there is another section, apply to sell on Artfinder. When you join Artfinder, you join a revolution in the way that art is bought and sold. Stand up for a new and fairer world for independent artists. Join us today. So there is some reason why you want to sell on Artfinder. Our worldwide community of artists is our biggest asset. When you join Artfinder, you join the art marketplace of friendlier, fairer, and world for independent artists, and you'll reach a global audience of over 450,000 art lovers, which is pretty amazing. Take control of your store, your pricing, listing, and get performance stat and insights all completely free. Join the international community of artists and receive exclusive benefits, including partner discount and access to our forum, and there is so much more. So there is an application process, guys. For you to sell your platform on this website, you need to submit your application. You need to kind of like get an approval to start selling. So what's this application process look like? Let me talk about that. Tell us your story. Our customers want to buy from a real person. So make sure you tell us about yourself in a way that is engaging and inspirational. We want to understand that what makes you and your art. So that is, you need to sell your story behind your artwork, describe about you and your artwork. Include your personal online presence related to your art. If you're selling your work anywhere in the online space or have an online portfolio, mention that as well. We require a personal website representing your work or Instagram or Facebook page with a clear focus on your art that demonstrate your dedication to your art. Our examples should demonstrate the ability for customer to purchase your art and contact you. And as artists are responsible for fulfilling orders themselves on Artfinder, we need to trust your prior experience of shipping internationally. So you need to ship your work by yourself. This is a little bit side back. Like on the print-on-demand websites, they do the work for you. But here you need to sell your work. They are providing you the marketplace. You need to ship your art to your customer, shipping from your own home, your own office, whatever it is. Provide high quality image. We want to see your art in its well light. This means good quality, well lit images with no background. We only accept original art. So please guys, if you're creating your original art, then only this website is exactly for you. But if you're taking your work from somewhere else, from third-party website and creating something out of it, then this website is not for you. So make that platform to very well submit your application, guys. So very well log in onto this website and then submit your application. And then see whether they accept you or whether they don't, what's all about. Another thing to consider over here, they have said that you will notice that in order to apply, you must have 4 to 6 examples of your work for review and links to other media pages or your website. So whatever media pages, Instagram, social media you are submitting, you at least need to have 4 to 6 examples of your work so that they can see that your work is original and they increases the chances of your approval. Another thing, we are currently experiencing a very high volume of applications, so it may take up to 6 to 8 weeks for you to receive a response. Please do not contact us about the status of your application if it has been less than 6 to 8 weeks since the submission. So you need to wait 6 to 8 weeks to get your approval. Another thing I want to talk about, how much does it cost? How much commission they're going to take, or what's the thing and all. It's 100% free to sign up and display your artworks on Artfinder, so it's free. That's amazing. Now the commission, that's the main important thing to talk about. We deduct a 33 to 40% commission every time an artwork is purchased through the site. So they take the commission of 33 to 40%. Discover the cost of running the site, free of charge, returns, marketing and all those kind of stuff. Commission is only charged on the retail value of the artwork sold. That is the total retail value of the item as set by you. So you can set it as a high so that they can take 33 to 40% and rest is for you. The percentage we charge depends on the seller plan you choose once of you are accepted. So there is a different seller plan subscriptions. Choose once you are accepted. Different seller plan subscription. Okay, so they have 3 different plans: the starter, standard, and professional based on the commission. On the starter, they're going to take 40% commission and it's free to get started with that. On the standard, they're going to take 33% commission, but there is a monthly charge that is $5 and €5 and £4. Professional, it's 33% commission. Monthly charge is a little bit higher. It's a $12. The number of artworks with limited edition prints are unlimited. So you are allowed to send unlimited, and in the starter plan, you are only allowed to list up to 30 artworks. So if you are listing more than 30 artworks, then you naturally need to go with the standard or with the professional plan. But I think that in the beginning, it's free to get started up to 30 artworks, and it's worth to get started with that to see whether the ball rolls in your favor or not. And then if you see if you sold a single artwork and you need more artworks to list on this platform, then you can go with the standard or with the professional plans. Then discount and promotional packages, you're also getting the discount 10%, 25% in your standard and your professional packages, and you could reach the bunch of the different options they have. So I think that this is an amazing option if you're creating your original work from scratch, and you could very well look out for this website. Start selling, start with this, submit your application. Once they approve it, then you're allowed to get started with that. In the starter plan, you only have up to 30 artworks listed. So if you see that 30 artworks that you have listed get you a single sale, then you might can upgrade it to standard and professional and can sell unlimited or can list unlimited artworks on this website. But I think that is pretty amazing website. You could take a look at this. I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description box below. You can check it out. But that's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you find it useful and enjoyable. If you have anything to say, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.